Hi, I'm Louisa and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Pansy out of crepe paper. Of course you can choose whatever colors you like, but since purple is my favorite color, I went with purple and yellow. We'll start by making the stammen with just a little bit of tissue paper. You don't need a lot since it's such a delicate flower. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect, as we're going to cover it up with a little bit of yellow paper. And now let's start with the petals. First, we're going to make the biggest petal, which is going to be just a simple color, purple in our case. Make sure you stretch and relax the paper, as this is going to give it that more natural feel. Next we're going to make two petals. In order for them to look more natural, I'm going to use some dry pastels. I'm using two shades of indigo / purple, just so that it will look a bit more interesting. I'm using two types of pastels. One is from Hobbycraft. I got it from my sister-in-law. And the other type is from Faber-Castell. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I didn't see that huge of a difference between the two of them. I'm sure there is, but for this kind of project, the cheaper kind is good enough. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. And for the next two petals, we're going to do something similar. If you'd like to make a bouquet of crepe paper flowers, you can check out my playlist that is dedicated to these types of flowers. I have a lot of kinds of flowers. I have a lot of roses, peonies, chrysanthemums, and so on. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. See you on the next one. Bye!